Ecological Session by Lisbeth Jurado
and Nicole Gutierrez.
My name is Nicole Gutierrez.
And my name is Lisbeth Jurado. I'm doing the project for Mr. Martin,
which is called the ecological system. Well, as you see, the ecological system starts off as a bare rock, okay? The bare rock. So after the rock, lichens begin to grow. Right?
Because of the poop and like whatever. Let's say for example, this dog right here ate a seed and
it pooped it out, right?
And the seed and the nutrients from that grew into the rock and grew lichens.
And after the lichens, mosses began to grow.
So we had a little bit of moss here.
Well, anyways, the mosses began to grow, right? Which is that substance on it, which I guess the nutrients started to kick in more, right?
So then after a while, some years probably,
the grass began to grow. This grass began to grow, right?
The roots and everything of the little plant.
And then as you see,
the plant started to get bigger.
Yeah,
a little bit bigger. There's two different.
And then after that, some herbs started to kick in, like bam, right? So it started to kick in. So then a bunch of other things start to get mixed up as mixed herbs, right? And after that,
but you can't really tell what it's gonna grow into until you see like the final
plant. Yes. So
and then
as you see,
later on, like as time passed by, it started to grow
a young forest, which is this right here, right? The branches.
And they all got strong,
and they started building leaves like this. This would be considered the mature forest, right?
And then after a while, boom, you see the big trees.
The climax forest.
Okay.
And this is the climax forest, right? As you see, it got mature. Very, very mature, right? So then it started to get taller and taller and taller, right?
But then little incident happened that nobody like really predicted.
It was actually a natural catastrophe, right? As we talked about that, Mr. Martin.
It can be a fire.
A fire. Look at the fire. Right? The tree is getting on fire.
Let's try that again.
Yes. But besides that, that's a conflict that we showed you. Just to see what happens to this tree as it is getting burnt. So,
sexy and I know it.
See right here, the fire is burning, right? Don't worry, parents are supervising guys. Well, anyways, this would be the natural catastrophe that happened, right? So as it starts, tree starts to die, right? So then it starts dying, right? It starts to die.
Okay, so let's put this fire out.
It begins to die, right? And as you see, right here, the tree now looks like this.
And
right?
Of course it had
like this, right? It died and bam, it fell.
And it had all dried leaves, as you can see. But then yet again, something else could happen to the rocks. And of course, human beings helped out and they helped clear the land.
And after a while, let's just say that this dog here pooped again, ate a seed, and pooped it out.
And it doesn't really have to be a dog. It can be
birds, giraffes, pandas. It can be any type of animal.
also like bees and everything. Maybe we can like eat sunflower seeds and actually leave one alone.
Right?
And then leave them alone. So yeah, we would like to thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope it really helped you to see the events of this
of the ecological succession, right? So as you see, the process begins all over, and it's an everyday cause. So as you see, we worked very, very hard on it. So thank you for watching Mr. Martin's class and Mr. Martin. We really appreciate it. Well, we gotta go.
Bye.
Bye.
Tell me about the good old days.
real life class.
Real life class.
Sometimes
So,
it
and we're giving
feels
them
like
actual life theories.
And don't
this world's gone
Don't worry, we were adult
crazy.
supervised by the fire, and it was both of our ideas, and we decided
Grandpa.
to do it together. And also, we
Take me
for the
back
vote,
to
we got the
yesterday,
wrong So
when the line between right and wrong
the plant also, so you put greenish.
didn't seem so hazy.
And the vote. Oh, anyway.
Lovers
thank you for
really
watching.
fall in love to stay, stand beside each other.